Hi guys, good morning. So this morning I will perform a simple laptop maintenance. Okay? So I am going to clean here the heatsink of the microprocessor using a WD-40, alright? And also this one, the fan, the CPU fan. Okay, so we'll be using WD-40. Alright guys, so we will use this one. Okay, to clean the heatsink here, to remove the dust and also the fan. Okay, let's do it. Okay, that's it. And then the fan. Right, that's it. That's how I perform a laptop maintenance using a WD-40. Okay, so this is a rust remover and lubricator. So this is very useful in performing a laptop maintenance to clean the heatsink, the airways, the CPU fan, this one. Okay, to remove the dust inside. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and this is how to perform a simple laptop maintenance. Stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.